This is Sean Dong, and I'll be showing the typesheet design and export steps in BlastLogic. Once we've assigned the initiation times to each hole in the blast, we can then design a typesheet that can be handed off to the blast crew to show how to implement this out in the field. We will design a typesheet for this electronic type here, and in the typesheet designer we can create pages and choose what's shown on each page. And like the drawing tools in Microsoft Word and Excel, we can move the pages around, as well as rotate and resize. So here we wanted a kind of overview of the entire blast, and we can rename the page as such. Next we would like a closer look at the blast so the crew can more easily see the individual sections of the blast. So we'll create another page and reposition it and size it. Lastly, we'll include a page showing the timing contours for our records, which can give the reader an idea of how the blast will move as well as its speed. So we'll create another page. We'll choose which horizon we want to show, as well as that we want the timing contours. Alright, now we're ready to export it so we can print it out. Choose where we'd like to save it, and this will validate it to make sure that our type doesn't have any obvious mistakes in it. The next step from here is to export the timing data so it can be uploaded into the detonators by the initiation system device like a logger. We can choose Export Electronic Data. We can then choose DigiShot Plus, and we can choose to export, and that exports it out.